welcome back. So the next filter criteria will be anything where we will be using where object. We use where object where you want to find very specific, very refined data. So where object is a very powerful commandlet which will give you very refined data. So let us use this where object. Okay. So right now you can see that there are a number of criteria here: index, time, entry type, source, and instance ID, message. Okay, so let's discuss these things one by one. So get event log system, and I want to extract data. Suppose let me uh, um use the criteria as entry type. Okay, so let us use where object. Okay, and this is a script block. This is a dollar sign which is called the current element, and criteria will be entry type. Now since entry type, what entry type I want to uh, I want my logs to be, so what should be the criteria for my logs to be filtered. So right now I am using entry information entry type. I want all the logs whose entry type is information. So I will get everything out of these 30 logs. See, you will get everything, every message which has entry type as information. Now suppose you this is about the informations. Now suppose I want entry type as errors. I want all the errors, logs of all the errors. Entry type is error, so you can see here. Okay, do we have any other entry type? Yes, one more entry type we have, warning. So we can also filter the logs based on the warning entry type. See, you got the warning entry type. What about, what suppose I want to filter the data based in the instance? So you can use the same format, and instead of here entry type, we can replace it with instance ID equals, suppose I want all the logs whose instance ID is suppose 27. Let us say, you can see here it is 27. So I am taking this reference from here. See, based on this instance ID, let us say the instance ID is 25. We'll get everything with the instance ID 25. Let me show. Okay, 44. Okay, let us remove this parameter, and then let us see what we are getting, because we are getting single output here, and I want to show you. Okay, okay, you can see all these all the reports, all these logs are having instance ID is 25. Okay, so this is about instance ID and uh, entry type. Okay, with the where object command. I will discuss on the other filter criteria as well, whether it is index or time or message or anything, in my next video. Okay. I hope you'll find it useful. So once again, if you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the updates. Okay, thank you, and enjoy learning PowerShell. It's very easy.